Save your reasons up for later. Stay with me a little while. Watch me go. Now I sink down.